Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 beard trimmers in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading beard trimmer that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000. Whether you're taming your beard, shaping your stubble, or tackling those pesky nose hairs, this 13-piece grooming kit promises to be your trusty sidekick. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The Multigroom 3000 is like a Swiss Army knife for your grooming needs. With 13 attachments, it handles everything from head to toe, beard, face, and even body hair. No more juggling multiple tools. Say goodbye to messy blade oil. The self-sharpening steel blades stay razor-sharp from day one. Just grab your Multigroom 3000, and you're ready for precise trims without the fuss. Cleaning up is a breeze. Detach the blades and guards, rinse them under water, and you're good to go. No more tangled hair or gunk buildup, just a clean, efficient trimmer. Need to groom on the go? The powerful battery gives you up to 60 minutes of runtime. Whether you're traveling or just in a hurry, this trimmer won't let you down. In conclusion, in a nutshell, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is your reliable grooming companion. From beard sculpting to ear hair trimming, it's got you covered. So, toss out those old clunky tools and upgrade to the Multigroom 3000. Your path to effortless grooming awaits. Number 4. The MANSCAPED Beard Hedger. If you're tired of juggling multiple clipper attachments and want a sleek, efficient solution, keep reading. The Beard Hedger boasts an intuitive zoom wheel with 20 different length settings. From a rugged lumberjack mustache to subtle stubble, this trimmer's got you covered. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers filled with clipper attachments. The zoom wheel lets you adjust in 5mm increments up to 10mm. Designed with a unique cutting angle, the Beard Hedger lifts flat-lying hairs for smooth, single-stroke trimming. No more tugging or uneven results. Achieve that well-groomed look effortlessly. The cordless DC motor packs a punch, making the Beard Hedger sharp enough to tackle even the thickest facial hair. The 41mm titanium-coated T-blade ensures precise cuts without the need for blade oil. Ready to level up your beard game? The Beard Hedger is waterproof, so feel free to trim in the shower. With a 7,200 RPM motor and a high-performance battery, you get 60 minutes of use on the go. Unbox your grooming game changer. The Beard Hedger comes with an AC adapter, USB-C cable, length-setting comb attachment, and a hard-shell water-resistant travel case. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is your ticket to precision, convenience, and a well-groomed beard. Number 3. The MANSCAPED Handyman Compact Face Shaver. If you're tired of unruly facial hair and need a portable solution, stick around because we've got you covered. The Handyman features a dual-action skin-safe blade head, combining a long hair leveler and a foil shaver blade. Say goodbye to uneven trims and hello to a smooth, well-groomed face. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, this Li-ion battery-powered shaver ensures you won't be caught off guard by scruff. Need a quick touch-up? The 5-minute charge option has your back. Whether it's an impromptu overnight stay or your best friend's destination wedding, the Handyman is your trusty travel companion. Its mess-free, magnetic protective cover keeps things tidy. Worried about maintenance? Fear not. The Handyman is IPX7 rated, meaning it can handle immersion in up to 1 meter of fresh water for 30 minutes. Rinse it under the faucet without a second thought. Hold the Handyman with both blades flat against your skin. Glide the dual-action compact foil shaver up and down. The long hair leveler tackles growth, while the foil delivers a close shave. In conclusion, in summary, the MANSCAPED Handyman Compact Face Shaver is your go-to grooming tool for busy days, travel adventures, and everyday maintenance. Get yours today and keep that face looking sharp. Number 2. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools for different grooming tasks, this 8-in-1 powerhouse might just be your new best friend. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The Braun 5471 is a true multitasker. It trims, details, grooms your body, provides a precision shave, and even tackles those pesky ear and nose hairs. Say goodbye to cluttered bathroom cabinets. The precision wheel is where the magic happens. With an impressive 40 length settings in 0.02-inch increments, you can fine-tune your beard and hair effortlessly. Plus, the adjustable combs make styling a breeze. The ultra-sharp blade glides through hair like a hot knife through butter. Whether you're shaping your beard or tidying up your neckline, this trimmer gets the job done swiftly and smoothly. Quality matters, and the Braun 5471 delivers. Its robust NMH battery provides a generous 80 minutes of cordless runtime. Plus, the durable blades ensure longevity, making it a smart investment. In conclusion, so there you have it, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 55471. Versatile, precise, and built to withstand the test of time. If you're serious about looking your best, this trimmer deserves a spot in your grooming routine. Number 1. The Panasonic GB42K Cordless Men's Beard Trimmer. Whether you're a seasoned beard aficionado or just starting your facial hair journey, this sleek black trimmer promises precision and comfort. The GB42K boasts an adjustable dial with 19 settings, allowing you to fine-tune your beard length. From a rugged stubble to a well-groomed masterpiece, this trimmer's got your back. Need to tackle flattened hairs? No worries. The included comb attachment lifts those stubborn strands for a clean, even cut. Say hello to ultra-sharp, hypoallergenic blades. These bad boys make quick work of unruly hair, whether it's your beard, mustache, or sideburns. No more tugging or discomfort, just efficient grooming. The GB42K's sleek design isn't just for show. It's easy to hold, providing total control during your trimming sessions. Detailed cutting and sculpting? Check. Comfort? Double check. Hate being confined to the bathroom mirror? This trimmer is your new best friend. It's waterproof and 100% washable, so trim in or out of the shower, it's your call. No more awkward contortions to catch those stray hairs. The GB42K charges up quickly using the AC wall adapter. In just a jiffy, you'll have up to 50 minutes of trimming time. Plus, it's travel-friendly. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The Panasonic GB42K beard trimmer combines precision, comfort, and versatility, all in one sleek package. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.